Hello there, it's Miss Moneypenny again from the Motorhome, coming in with another DIY video for you. After 6 years on the road, Scooby is looking a little tired in places and had a little bit of inspiration for our bathroom. Yours look like this? That little plinth there that really doesn't do anything for the sink and any splashes. So I had this little bit of inspiration. Why not get some vinyl tiles, take this black plinth off and put some tiles on the back, and this is what we came up with. So we nipped into B&Q and lo and behold, they have a set of these self-adhesive vinyl tiles, which I think, if I can get the right pattern, will look really, really nice along there. We haven't stuck them yet, we'll show you that in a little bit. Now a bit of white spirit. Make sure you got good ventilation for this, because boy does it stink of poopage. So then, Mr. Davis, what's the plan? Stan?
Tiling is all about cuts everywhere. If you notice, we have a full tile here, one in the middle here, and another one there, which is leaving this strip. You don't want that. So what I'm going to do, these are 30 centimetres and a half a centimetre. Don't ask why half a centimetre. 30.5 centimetres wide, and the whole length across the top is 98 centimetres. So we need to take off 3.25 centimetres from this end and add it onto that end, so there's cuts everywhere. That's the first thing. The second thing, take those away, is in this corner we have this cap, which just, that's the screw into the wall, and they've just put a cap on to protect it. And it goes right into the corner. Get it back on here. And I want the tile to fit right in snug, so I'm going to take a slither off of that with my super sharp Stanley knife, and that'll make sure the tile goes right into the corner. And thirdly, we've got this plastic. It's
which I hate. I hate these plastic things because you can't take them off.
No.
They're really hard to clean.
And they've gone around the corner in one piece. So this is protruding, it doesn't go all the way into the corner.
Right, okay.
So I'm going to use the Stanley knife to make a cut diagonally into both corners.
Yeah.
So I can push this plastic thing right in, so it's going to make sure the tile butts up nicely onto the edge.
Okay.
Okay?
Good. Yeah,
that's the plan, Stan.
That sounds like a good plan.
These are very flexible.
Yeah. Okay.
So you only need a Stanley knife. But what you do need is a hard factory edge. There's your factory edge. So you get
straight
a
edge.
Nice straight factory edge.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what it is, piece of wood, piece of metal, ruler, metal ruler, doesn't matter.
And that's going to help you do what?
Well, I'm going to put it on the tile.
Yeah.
And that gives me
score it.
a straight line to score down.
Sounds good. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's a thing of beauty. Fold that over. We say over because we're in Somerset now, I'm saying.
Lovely jubbly. And there it is.
The first cut tile.
So it's just a matter now of taking off the wrapper. And there we go, all looking nice. So I'm just going to show on this one.
That one like that.
Yep, perfect. So peel off the backing. We have had a discussion about weight because the tiles are heavier than obviously what was there before, although we have made a conscious decision to get rid of some other excess items in order to allow us to have this new design. And I think that's what it's like in life on the road. You have to make different choices and different priorities, and when this is home 24/7, you want it to be right. Looking good, Mr. D. Oh, here we are. The tiles are now finished. Look at that. How much better does that look? So just a quick recap. We bought the tiles from B&Q. They were $18.25 for a pack of, I think it was actually 12 in there, 12 tiles. And we also learnt that you need to get some sort of a key on the back of the wall. So we did a little bit of a rub down, and we also bought some adhesive glue because they weren't sticking first time round. So we've just sprayed those on, and they've had a good, I suppose, 4 hours drying time, and they're all smashing now. We'll just keep testing them just to make sure that they're staying on. And that cost us $6.95 for the spray, which again we're not going to be able to use again unless we decide to tile anything else, although the whole project has come in under £30, which I think for something that has that sort of effect is pretty good. And it's going to mean that our walls are actually a lot better protected from splashes. So I hope you like what we've done. I hope you've been able to follow it, and perhaps you can get creative too. Bye for now.